Hey, Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, straight up, I'm going to tell you and show you and walk you through how you're going to get thousands and thousands of dollars in free value just for joining the funnel team in myEcon. Yes, it doesn't matter what level you join in at, even at the $20 entry point coming into myEcon, we're going to give you over $10,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon business. So I'm going to walk you through everything that's available to you and why this is the largest and fastest growing team inside of myEcon because of everything that you're getting. It's just a 100% no-brainer. So you might have been searching other videos online, looking at myEcon, looking for ways to make money online. This is the place, my friend. So check this out. First off, know that we're going to teach you and show you all the training right now that is going to help you start sharing your myEcon link, because we're actually going to give you the sales funnels. We've already built out all of those for you, and we've put hundreds, if not thousands of hours into creating this training for you. It's literally video by video, step by step, click by click, exactly what you can do to set up your myEcon sales funnels and start sharing that out on social media. And we're going to teach you and show you how to start sharing your myEcon affiliate links for free, meaning you don't have to pay for advertising. You don't have to pay for things like solo ads or YouTube ads or Bing ads or any of that. We're going to show you how to start sharing your business for free so you can start generating leads and sales as soon as today. So all that training, if you were to literally to do it yourself or add that up, that would be hundreds or thousands of hours and, worth realistically thousands of dollars of my time and my team members' time to put all of this training together for you. Okay. So understand that value right there. We're giving that to you when you activate your myEcon business at any level, even yes, for $20. It's actually $19.95. It's less than $20. It's less than a large cheese pizza. Okay. We're going to give you all the funnels. Okay. And the reason why I'm walking you guys through this is I want you to understand the value that you're actually really getting. So our system is hosted on a page builder. That page builder is $297 per month that you don't have to pay because we're paying that for you. So we've built out all the sales funnels. We have multiple different sales funnels that you can use. If you were to go build all this stuff out, it would cost you potentially hundreds of dollars per month. We're going to save you that cost because we're literally giving it to you when you activate your myEcon membership. We're giving you a custom app. This app literally costs $400 a month to host. Again, if you were to build this all out, if you were to pay for this, it would be $400 a month out of your pocket that you do not have to pay. You can run your entire business from our app, meaning it has all of your training. It hosts all of your funnels. It also hosts all of your leads as you're out there sharing your myEcon funnels. Your leads are landing in the app and you're capturing them in the app. You can follow up with your leads right through that app. This is a custom industry leading app that's customized to you. Guys, all this stuff costs money, okay? Page builders cost money. Apps cost money. Everything that I'm sharing with you on this screen here costs money, and it's all yours for free just for activating your myEcon business. We're obviously going to host all the videos for you. So all of the training, all of your sales funnels videos, those all are hosted. And again, guys, video hosting costs money. Yeah, you could host stuff for free over on YouTube, but it's not really safe and secure when you use professional video hosting. Again, these things cost money, guys. We're going to give them to you absolutely free just for being on our myEcon team. Okay. Now, we're going to give you all the content and the marketing, meaning when people get started, they're like, where do I go? What do I do? How do I start sharing this? What if I don't have a lot of followers? All of those, typical standard things when people start their own home-based business, not, having that fear and doubt of, I don't have a big following. Do I have to pitch this with friends and family? No, 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 no. We got your back. We got you covered. We do this the right way. Okay. We're going to give you the content. And again, if you think about, we literally have probably close to 1,000 pieces of content that you could use to start promoting your business between myself and the dozens of other creators out there that have created this content for you. That's thousands of dollars worth of time and effort and energy that people put in there to create this information and this content for you. We're literally giving it to you. It would be like if we asked you to go out and create 1,000 videos. If you went and did that, you would probably expect to be compensated for that. But because it's a lot of your time to give, but we're actually going to give that to you. Okay. We're also going to email all of your leads for you as you're generating your leads, as you're using your myEcon system with the funnel team, and you start generating your own leads. We're going to do all of the email follow up for you. Well, guess what, guys? Email autoresponders are not free. They cost money. And, our team probably has close to 50,000 leads that we followed up with. If you generated 50,000 leads on your own, I can guarantee you that you would be paying probably close to $1,000 a month just to host and email all of those leads. Again, we do that for you on your behalf. We pay that cost for you and we email your leads for you. Now, you can certainly use the app and you can email your leads yourself if you want, which I would highly recommend because it's going to help increase your chances of closing even more sales. Now, we also share your link for you, meaning your job as a myEcon affiliate, if you're looking to grow your business, is to get out there and share your link so other people can go to your link and you can make commissions. Well, we're going to share your link for you. Now, why is this a $500 value? Because we drive traffic to a sales rotator that will have your link in it, and we pay for that traffic every single month. If you were to go out and buy your own traffic, again, these things would cost money. We drive thousands of clicks per month to our team sales rotator, and we pay that expense for you to share your myEcon link. So I hope that makes sense, okay? Social Mastery Blueprint. This is a $700 course. You could literally go look it up and see that this course retails for $700. This teaches you how to grow and scale on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. And we're going to give you this course to better your education, to better your learning, to better your training, so you could get out there and generate more results with your myEcon business. $700 value, yours absolutely free. YouTube University. This is a course that I created several years ago that teaches you how to grow and scale on YouTube. As you can see, if you look down, I have almost 30,000 followers here on YouTube at the time of this video. If you want to learn exactly how I did that step by step, starting from scratch, that right there is YouTube University. I sell this course for $500 on my website. It's yours absolutely free when you activate your myEcon membership. Craigslist posting software. This is a custom built posting software for people that like to use Craigslist, where you can post multiple ads at once and not risk having any of your ads shut down because you might be using the same credit card on multiple ads, or you might be using similar ads in different locations. And then what Craigslist can do, similar to any social media platform, is they can shut your ads down. This software prevents that from happening. Okay. This is a custom built software, $500 value, yours absolutely free. Again, all of these things cost money, guys, whether it's cost the money that it takes to buy the course or the money, effort, and energy that went into building the course. Now, this last one here, Scalability Pro, this is a custom built course that teaches you how to grow and scale any online business to a 5-figure monthly income. Okay, this is a course that I created years ago, and this literally retails for $1,000. I'm going to give it to you absolutely free just for activating your myEcon membership. So think about it for a second. This course is hosted on a page builder. There is video hosting involved. There are email autoresponders involved. This course cost me money to put together because I had to fly down to Florida on my own dime, work in a recording studio, record it, put the time, effort, and energy into recording it, host it, pay for the hosting, and pay for everything. And again, you get all of that for free. So I want you to realize, the reason why we put this video together for you is so you could realize and understand the true value of everything that you're getting, the money that you're saving, and the legitimate, true value with content, with just everything that you need to win. All of that training and education, that stuff costs money, but it's there and it is truly designed to work and help you. And it has been proven and documented to help our members win, because Plain and simple, guys. There's a reason why our team, the funnel team, is the #1 largest and fastest growing team inside of myEcon. It's because of everything that you see on your screen right now, not just the value, but the education behind the value, because these strategies, these methods, this education clearly works, and it works really well. You could look at any of my other videos here on YouTube that support myEcon and go see everything that is there. Also, I have an overview that is in the description down below. If you want to check that out, you can, where I walk you through a more of a visual representation of what you see here on your screen. But I just wanted to show it to you in black and white. Literally for $19.95, you get thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in free value just for activating your myEcon business. So this is why I wanted you to watch this video and realize that this is the place to be. This is the team to be. So whether you're looking to make money online, you're looking to activate your myEcon membership, you're shopping myEcon, wondering which team is the best team to join, you have the proof and evidence right in front of you, right on your screen. And my friend, documentation beats conversation. What we do works, and it works extremely well. Okay, there's a reason why we're the #1 team. All right. So when you wrap it all up, you're literally getting a done for you business and an app. It's absolutely priceless, the value that you're truly getting, the money that you're saving, and ultimately the training and education that you're getting. Because let me just be real with you. You could take the training and education from our system and you could apply that to any business and you could create success, because at the root of it, and this is probably the most important point here, at the root of it, with all of that training, with all of that value, with everything that we give you, we teach you formulas and we teach you strategies that are proven and documented to work. Because at the end of it, making money online is not about one specific opportunity. It's not about myEcon. It's not about the funnel team. It's about learning the formulas that make it all work. And that's all marketing really is formulas. And once you understand that, you can apply that literally to anything. It just happens to work really freaking well with myEcon because it's a killer opportunity, killer products and services with a lot of value built into it. So I hope you got value from this video. Hope you have a clearer understanding of what you actually get when you join the funnel team and the actual true value that is there. So if you have any questions, I left my phone number right at the top of this video, also in the description down below. Send me a question with anything you have. Other than that, my friend, it's time for you to get started. Trust me when I tell you, action cures fear. And it's much better to be on the inside instead of standing there on the outside, looking in, pondering, doubting, wondering, debating. When you get in on the inside, you'll see how truly special it really is. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.